Okay, so we've looked at how you can build an SMS message. Now I'm going to show you how you can build a WhatsApp message to send as a campaign. Because WhatsApp has slightly different rules and regulations around how and what you can send to your customers, we're going to be building it in a slightly different way. So if you head over to Content and then Message Templates, Create New Message Project and click WhatsApp, you will see down here an interaction type. So there's two options, WhatsApp approved and reply to open conversation. If you want to start a conversation with your customer or message them proactively, then you'll need to use WhatsApp approved. Because we're sending a campaign, we're messaging our customers proactively, so you need to select WhatsApp approved. So this version is used if a customer messages you and you can use a reply to open conversation template to continue that conversation. For example, this might happen in an automated journey when someone messages you on WhatsApp and then you use a reply to open conversation template to reply to it, or an inbox. We're sticking with WhatsApp approved for now. Now down here, you need to use your WhatsApp business account. We're going to select MessageBird Demos, and then you need to choose your category. Because we're sending a marketing campaign, we're going to choose marketing. Now there's lots of different types of message you can create for WhatsApp, including just plain text, catalogs that display products, or a carousel message that they can scroll through. Let's keep it simple for this campaign with an image. Complete your project setup by giving your project a name and choosing your default language. Now you can build with AI, but I'm going to show you how to start from scratch. Okay, we're in the WhatsApp message template builder. As you can see, we already have an example over here on the right-hand side. Let's go in and change that image to something new. Click Image Header and then upload a new image. Nice, we've replaced our image. Let's head back and work on the copy as well. The first thing we want to do is make sure this is personalized with our first name. We don't have any variables in this template at the moment, so let's create one. Click Create New Variable, call it first name, put the description in as first name, and then provide an example. This will be used if we don't have that data about the customer in Bird, and it'll also show WhatsApp what you're expecting to put in this field. Now click Save Variable. Head back to the editor and replace this with our newly created variable. Now let's replace this copy and drop in a link to our blog. There we have it. We've added in our URL. If we click on the preview, we can see that this will be automatically shortened for us. Let's head back to the editor. We automatically include a text footer to allow customers to unsubscribe from your marketing messages when they receive this message. It's very important that you include this because customers should always be able to opt out at any time. As you can see, by default, we have link shortening turned on. This means that we also have link tracking turned on. If we were to turn this off, we would remove UTM tracking. We want to keep that on. Now, there are a few more things that we could do to make this message interactive. We're not going to do it for this campaign, but I'll just show you quickly how it works. So you can add a new action button. Now, these allow customers to perform an action. So you have copy code, open catalog, ring a phone number. We could use a link button for our URL, for example. Here's how that would look. I'm going to delete it to keep our message simple. You can also add quick reply buttons. Use quick reply buttons if you want to give your campaign recipients an easy way to move the conversation on. For example, you might send them a campaign that says, hey, we got some great new shoes and hats in stock. You can provide a button that says shoes and a button that provides hats. This could then lead into you building an automated flow, where depending on which one they click, they get another follow-up message showing them shoes or showing them hats. Again, we're just going to keep this simple for now. So here we have it, our WhatsApp message template ready to go. But we're not quite ready to send it as a campaign yet. Before we can do that, WhatsApp needs to have a look at it and let us know whether or not it's okay to send. So we're going to hit publish, and Bird will automatically send it to WhatsApp for approval. As you can see, the status here at the top is pending. We'll wait a few moments and see if it gets approved. There we have it, it's changed from pending to active, which means our template is now ready for us to use in a campaign. So head over to Campaigns, click Create Campaign, select WhatsApp, save and continue. The same way we set up the SMS campaign, give it a new name and select your recipients. We're also going to leave the Skipped Recently Messaged Profiles toggle on. Now let's continue to our content. We're going to choose which channel we're sending from, and then we're going to select the template that we just made. Here it is. The only thing left for us to do is to match that first name variable with the first name variable that we have stored on their bird profile. And don't forget to provide a default value. We're not A/B testing this time, so let's go straight to the review. Here we can check the setup of our campaign. We can see how many recipients there will be here. We know that we've got Smart Sending on. We can see a preview of our message as well. Now what you should do at this point is send yourself a test message just to make sure that everything's working properly and that it looks good when you receive it. You do that by selecting Contact and then send a test message. Once you've received your test message and everything looks good, you're ready to schedule or send. Just like SMS, you have the options to schedule to send at a future date and time or to send now. When sending at a future date and time, select the date and time and select the time zone of the recipients as well. If you want to send now, click Send Now and then hit Send.